Do you love listening to music with a friend but you hate sharing your account or playlists? Spotify Duo is the perfect solution. With Spotify Duo, you and a friend can enjoy your own playlists while sharing one plan to save money. So many people don't know how to get started, so don't worry, I got you covered. So the first thing, let's set up your account on Spotify Duo. All you need is to create a Spotify account and then invite your friend. Second, pick your plan. You'll see options to match your needs. Third, customize your music experience with personal playlists. Next, connect your Duo account to devices like your phone or speakers. And lastly, enjoy endless music without interrupting each other's vibes. So now that you see how easy it is, why wait? Start your Spotify Duo today and, save big while listening to the music that you love. If you found this video helpful, leave me a like. Love ya.